This is a money saving tip and trick that airlines do not want you to know, and especially Argentinian airlines. If you are planning to come to Argentina and if you are planning to fly within Argentina, you really do need to know this tip because this will save you a good amount of money. So normally what you would do is you go to Skyscanner or Google Flights and you would look for some flights and you book your flights in your home currency using the currency of your home currency. Now, there is a link in the description and in the comment section too to where you can go to Skyscanner and book your flights in your currency. But what you should do first before you do that is to save money rather than paying for flights in your home currency in Argentina is you should get a VPN. Now, a VPN allows you to change your virtual location of your device to a different country. And I highly recommend that if you are going to Argentina and if you're going to be booking flights in Argentina, I recommend you get a VPN and you change your location to Argentina. Why should you do this? Because when you change your location to Argentina, the flight prices will be in Argentinian pesos. Now, you may be thinking to yourself, why does that save you money? Surely if you have the prices in pesos, you're going to lose money because of the exchange rate from your bank. But actually, that is not true in Argentina, because in Argentina, the official bank rate that converts pesos to your local currency on the internet is worse than the rate that your credit card or your debit card will convert the pesos into your currency with. Because in Argentina, they have different exchange rates. The official exchange rate used on the internet is worse than the exchange rate on a Visa card and on a Mastercard card. So what you want to do is you want to sign up to a VPN, and you can do that in the description of my video and in the comment section too. I'm going to put a link to two VPN providers, Surfshark and NordVPN. Both VPN providers I have used. Personally speaking, I do prefer Surfshark. That is the VPN that I generally use most of the time. So you want to use the links in the description and the comment section, both in the description and the comment section. Use those links, sign up to a VPN website and change your location to Argentina to make some savings on your flights in Argentina. And then once you've set up your VPN, that's when you can go back to the Skyscanner link in the comment section. You can then click on that link and then it will take you to Skyscanner, and that's where you can book your flights. I always use Skyscanner personally to book and compare flights because Skyscanner compares all of the different flight times, all of the different airlines for the day that I'm looking to take my flights on. So again, all the links are in the description and the comment section. But do get a VPN if you're going to Argentina because you will save a little bit of money on the flights. That's what I've noticed, especially if you do have a Visa or Mastercard. It does save you money. Now, do let me know in the comment section if you are planning to come to Argentina, and let me know if you knew about this trick. Is it a trick that you knew about, and is it a trick that you now are going to use to save money when you come to Argentina? Argentina is a very nice country to visit. You've got good cities like Buenos Aires, Cordoba, Salta, and you do have really good nature throughout the country. Down south in Patagonia and also in Mendoza, in the north in Salta, in Cafayate, you've got lots of fantastic mountains, lakes, glaciers, and of course, as I said before, the cities of Buenos Aires, etc, etc. And if you do need more information about visiting Argentina, go to my channel, go to my playlist section. You can see I've got multiple playlists on Buenos Aires, Cordoba, Salta, Mendoza, and Iguazu Falls. So go and check out those playlists for more information and travel tips that you need to know before you do come to Argentina. So I do hope that you have found today's video useful and helpful. If you have, do click the like button. It does help out the channel and the video. And do click subscribe so you can get to see more of my travel content. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in my next video.